Hey guys, today in this video we will see some problems based on type 1 of partial fractions. So for this kind of problems we have px plus q in the numerator and x minus a into x minus b in the denominator. So for this kind of problem we will write a by x minus a plus b by x minus b, and our main aim should be to find out the values of a and b. So let's see the first problem. So this is our problem. Here the numerator is 2 and the denominators are x minus a and x minus 2. So what should our first step? So at first we will write the equation 2 divided by x minus 1 plus x plus 2 equals a divided by x minus 1 plus b divided by x plus 2. Then we just take the LCM of these two. Then take the LCM. It should be x minus 1 into x plus 2. X plus 2 into a plus b into x minus 1. It will just cross multiply with each other. And in the LHS, it will still x minus 1 and x plus 2. So in both the sides, you can see that in denominator, x minus 1 into x plus 2 is common. So you can cancel them out. So now the equation will be 2 equal to a into x plus 2 plus b into x minus 1. So this one is our equation. Let's give it number 1. Now what will we do? Here you can see we have x plus 2. That's why in this equation we will put x equals minus 2. If you put x equals to minus 2, you can see from this equation this whole term will get 0 and we can easily find out the value of b. So let us see. If we put the value of x equals to minus 2 in equation 1, we will get 2 equals a into minus 1 plus 2 plus b into minus 1 minus 2 minus 1, or 2 equals to a into 0 plus b into minus 3, or 2 equals to 0 plus minus 3b, or b equals to minus 2 upon 3. So here we get the value of b. And here you can see x equals to minus 1. So if we put x equals plus 1, this term will get 0 and we will find out the value of a. So if we put x equals plus 1 in equation 1, we will get 2 equals to a into 1 plus 2 plus b into plus 1 minus 1, or 2 equals 3a plus b into 0, or 2 equals to 3a, or a equals to 2 by 3. Here got all the values of a and b. So what was our equation? So this was our main equation. Now just put the values of a and b in this equation. So the equation will be 2 by x minus 1 x plus 2. So the equation was 2 by x minus 1 into x minus 2 equals a by x minus 1 plus b by x plus 2. So just put the values of a and b here. The value of a was 2 by 3 and the value of b was minus 2 by 3. So this one is our answer. So I hope you guys understand the problem. Thanks for joining.